Daily affirmations that actually work. What are daily affirmations? Daily affirmations are simply positive statements proclaiming some very specific goals, and believing that these stated goals have already happened or are already yours. Most of our affirmations may sound basic on the surface, but the power they bring forth to us has intense personal possessions on the subconscious mind. Daily affirmations can be looked at like doing exercise to grow your body. Exercise makes you look good and feel good. Affirmations are an exercise for the brain. Over time you can build a masterpiece with them. Become committed to your affirmations. They will help you to reprogram the unconscious mind and build success inside and out. Doing affirmations daily can eliminate negative thoughts, and can help eliminate most of the false beliefs you hold from your youth and everyday nonsense. Follow this post and transform your comfort zone into a very productive one. Avoid mediocrity and expand to the point where you believe anything is possible. Daily affirmations will take you where you want to be, it just needs your directions. How to use affirmations to attract money and success. First off, you will need to identify the reason you're asking this question. Why are you looking to attract more money? The simple answer would be, quote, "I don't have enough," and that is the exact problem. Once you get over the feeling of lack, things will become very easy. It's like snapping your fingers. Manifestation on demand, it is a great feeling. I'm all for wanting more money, but the way you attract it is by letting the universe know you are ready to accept it, you are worthy of it. You will never get more by claiming the lack of it, or anything else for that matter. Start by affirming, "I am a magnet to money, money loves me. I know I deserve abundance. I am easily accepting abundance into my life. I have way more money than I need. I am happy now that I can help others with my money. I am happy. I feel good. I never worry about money, because it comes to me effortlessly." When you find yourself in this zone, oh boy, you will start to see so much change in your life. So repeat your affirmations daily. Your mind, body and soul will accept it as reality, and the universe will send you your blessings. Why are affirmations so powerful? Affirmations are so powerful because they can design a new you. Affirmations have the power to reprogram any mind God has put in this world. The power comes from repetitive positive sayings, feelings and thoughts you hold. You can do affirmations when you wake up and automatically feel good. Take note, after your morning affirmations, you cannot then go out into the world and fall victim to your surroundings. You cannot play into the mood of everyone else, because the affirmations will never work for you. It takes work. If you decide this is what you want and stay focused on the embedded words you keep saying to yourself, your inner you will believe you, and when the universe gets on board, you can pretty much manifest on demand. You will have some ups and downs, but the downs are not as bad as long as you are in control. You will embrace the contrast, because the affirmations will give you all the knowledge you need to move on from contrast. It becomes easy after a little practice, and I must say, that's pretty powerful. Affirmations for health. I am healthy. I am energetic. I am enthusiastic. My body heals fast. I love exercising. Good health is my life. My mind is free from fog. I am of sound body and mind. I am well off. My body is my temple. I respect my body, mind and soul. Does positive affirmations truly work? There are many ways to answer this question. Many people would say affirmations don't work unless they are facts. In other words, it doesn't make sense to lie to yourself. I feel that these are valid points and should be taken into consideration when choosing affirmations or writing them. However, most people never had it work in their lives. Therefore, it's almost impossible for them to know how or if affirmations work. My wife and I started doing affirmations over 10 years ago, and we both felt the same way as most of the population. Then things started to change. We got into some programs like Bob Proctor Paradigm Shift, Tony Rollins workshops, etc. Check the links below. We studied to find exactly what we were doing wrong. It all comes down to using affirmations and implementing emotions into them. This will change your life. You can say the words, but until you feel them, I mean when you are reciting your affirmations and you believe in them so much, you get goose pimples. Affirmations will never work for you unless you understand this. When your mind, body and soul are on the same frequency, nothing can stop manifestation. So does affirmations work? Yes, absolutely they do. Put the work in and you will get there, and when you see it happen the first time, it will be very easy after that. Here you will find affirmations on relationships to help you with that part of your life. Affirmations for love and relationships. Love is the energy that attracts us all. Love is nourishment for mind, body, and soul. This goes back thousands of years. But in these days and times, people tend to forget it all. A lot of people misunderstand and/or misuse the concept of love for a variety of different reasons. The results are: love can be eclipsed with mostly fear, shame or guilt. Love comes in many forms, can be a pet, people, situations and lust. You have the love between a mother and her daughter, son and father. It can be two classmates or friends. It can show up with two people who fight and argue all the time, fighting today and the next thing you know these two are life partners, husband and wife. They got that grandma, grandpa love. It is magical. Love was put here naturally by God, the universe. It's no way around it. If you want unconditional love in modern times, then you must love yourself first. Here are some affirmations to get the ball rolling. To get you moving in the right direction, these will help you to attract the relationship and the love you seek in this life. I always welcome love with open arms. I am loving. I love to love. I feel joy being in love. I love being loved. I am open, free and loving. I deserve to be in a loving relationship. Loving others is easy for me. People with good hearts are attracted to me. I choose to be romantic today. I enjoy giving and receiving love. I love what I am. I love and accept all of me. Today I choose to speak lovingly to everyone. I am very affectionate and loving. I love myself always and completely. Morning affirmations. Waking up in the morning is by far the very best time to get some momentum going positively. Even if you didn't get a good night's sleep, you can immediately turn the tides very fast. Morning affirmations will set the tone of your whole day. When you first wake up, do not reach for your cell phone, do not turn the television or radio on. Simply lay there and focus on just being thankful. Being grateful is one of the most powerful ways to get your affirmations working in your life. Because you can start with the things you already have, and that comes with feelings and emotions. When you get this, it truly feels magical. 20 morning affirmations to get you going. Thank you for my house, the roof over my head. Thank you for mercy. Thank you for understanding. Thank you for wisdom. Thank you for parents. Thank you for love. Thank you for humility. Thank you for peace. Thank you for prosperity. Thank you for the hard times. Thank you for the lessons, they were needed for my development. Thank you. Thank you for eyes and everything I take for granted. Thank you for all of my blessings. Thank you for my drive. Thank you for my spirit. Thank you for my strength. Thank you for giving me the courage to fight through the hard times. Thank you for my kids. Thank you for my hands, legs and feet. Thank you for the new day you put in front of me. Before bed affirmations. For the most part, we sleep like babies. Wake up refreshed and alert, ready for the everyday struggle. Learn how we change the word struggle to being happy no matter what we face the next day. These affirmations before bed have also been proven to help people let go of any stress and anxiety they may be facing. Use these words to clear out all the BS, all the negative thoughts or things running around in your head. Letting go of all the negative emotions, anxiety and falsehoods you think you've been feeling. We can clear the way and put ourselves in a mood of gratitude. This is when you are vibing with the universe and making things happen with relative ease. 20 positive affirmations for bedtime. I am courageous. I am ready to take responsibility for my thoughts. I am so grateful. I am so thankful for all the good people and things in my life. I am incredibly fortunate. I am lucky to be alive. I am thankful for this bed and pillow. I am thankful for tomorrow. Tomorrow good things will come my way. I get better every day. I am a good person. I am smart. I can do anything my heart desires. Great things happen to me all the time. I am comfortable. I am making all the right choices. I'm surprising myself every day with how calm I am. I am always protected by my higher self. I am grateful for the sense of well-being. I am deserving. I am now healing deeply. Good night. Read the above every night for at least 21 days. Or even better, if you know you're a sleepy, get the recordings of this. Make a recording yourself if I do not provide one here. No excuses, get it done if you want to live and grow on your terms. You will notice the change in your life fairly quickly. Getting on that level of co-creating with the universe will feel so good. You will want to teach everyone how to do it. That's why I'm here now sharing what I and my wife have learned on our journey. In conclusion, affirmations are a set of positive statements proclaiming some very specific goals you want or wish to achieve. They are used to bring you closer to the things you want in life. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I post new videos. For more, stop by my blog, ariknek.com. Linked below.